Hello there, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Just a very short video today. Many people have asked me on the Peugeot Django, how do you reset the service warning? And there's nothing you can do until it does run out, basically. So it has now. I don't actually go by it because I regularly change the oil probably every 6 months anyway, so I don't have to go by it, but obviously I don't want that coming up every time. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you're supposed to reset it. If it doesn't work, well then you won't see the video, but we give it a go. So come and see how we reset this service warning on the Peugeot Django. First of all, we'll just switch it on. I'll just show you what comes up when it reboots. There are 0 miles now, and then you've got the spanner warning there. So hopefully this will work. What I'm going to do is take out the key now, and then we need to hold the center button in without the key being on. So I'm holding that down now, put the key on, switch ignition off, release that button, hold it down for a few seconds. There we go, that's gone, the spanner. Switch it off, put it on again, and it's now reset 3125. So it's quite straightforward. Once again, no key in, hold this button down, switch ignition on, release the button, hold the button down again with the ignition on, just leave it for a few seconds, and eventually the spanner will go, and then you'll reset your service on the dashboard thing here. So I hope that helps some people.